Top 5 Best Vacuum Cleaner. We are going to check out top 5 best vacuum cleaner in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this vacuum cleaner, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
Bissell 9595A CleanView Bagless Vacuum with OnePass. Fast and easy cleaning in a lightweight vacuum with powerful suction and innovative brush design that cleans more on the initial pass. Innovative brush design rotates down into the carpet to clean more on the initial pass. Cyclonic system for long-lasting, powerful suction. Turbo brush tool for stairs, furniture, upholstery, and more. Easy empty dirt tank, multi-level filtration, and washable foam tank filter. Note: please refer user manual attached below for item installation and troubleshooting steps. Hose length, 6 inch.
Top 4.
Hoover T-Series WindTunnel Rewind Plus Bagless Corded Upright Vacuum UH70120, green. Lightweight upright vacuum cleaner with WindTunnel technology for consistent suction. Rinsable filter and high-quality HEPA filter. WindTunnel technology lifts and removes surface debris and deep down embedded dirt. 25-foot retractable power cord. Rinse clean filter and permanent HEPA filter. HEPA media filter traps 99.97% of dirt, dust and pollens down to 0.3 microns. Settings easily adjust from deep carpet to hard floor surfaces. Includes extension wand, crevice tool, upholstery dusting brush, and powered hand tool. 8-inch stretch hose, above floor cleaning with simple tools. Comes with no scuff bumper which protects furniture as you clean along edges or underneath.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
Shark Rotator Professional Upright Corded Bagless Vacuum for Carpet and Hard Floor with Lift-Away Hand Vacuum and Anti-Allergy Seal, NV501, red. Lift away. Press a button to lift the canister away and easily clean hard-to-reach areas. Premium Pet Power Brush. Picks up pet hair and debris, and deep cleans dander from all surfaces. Anti-allergen complete seal technology plus HEPA filter. Traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Advanced swivel steering with LED headlights. Excellent control for maneuvering around furniture. XL capacity dust cup. Extended cleaning without interruption.
Top 2.
SharkNinja Navigator Lift Away Deluxe NV360 Upright Vacuum, blue. Lift away. Press a button to lift the canister away and easily clean hard-to-reach areas. Anti-allergen complete seal technology plus HEPA filter. Traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Swivel steering. Excellent control for maneuvering around furniture. Dust cup capacity, 1.2 dry quarts. Large capacity, easy to empty dust cup. Extended cleaning without interrudio. What's included? 1. Pet power brush. 1. Dusting brush. 1. 5.5-inch crevice tool.
Top 1.
Dyson Upright Vacuum Cleaner, Ball Multifloor 2, Yellow. Unrivaled Dyson suction. Light to maneuver. Self-adjusting cleaner head seals in suction across carpet, wood, vinyl, and tile floors. Suction power, 250 AW. Maximum reach, 40 feet. Radial root cyclone technology captures more microscopic dust than any other on the market. Cord length, 31 feet. Instant release wand allows for cleaning up high or under furniture. Dimensions, HXWXD, 41.93 x 15.59 x 13.39 inches and weight, 15.6 pounds. Maximum reach, 40 feet. Hygienically empty the bin with the push of a button.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.